The mammoth disappeared around 4,000 years ago, but now, scientists are trying to bring back this prehistoric species. In this video, we will discuss how scientists are reviving the woolly mammoth and the potential impact of this project on the environment. The idea of reviving an extinct thousands of years ago might sound like something out of science fiction, but it's actually becoming more and more feasible as technology advances. Scientists have been working on a project that involves bringing back the woolly mammoth using a process called de-extinction. By extracting DNA from well-preserved mammoth remains and splicing it with DNA of its closest living relative, the Asian elephant, scientists hope to create a hybrid embryo that can be carried to term by an elephant surrogate. Although there are many challenges and ethical concerns surrounding de-extinction, the possibility of seeing a woolly mammoth roaming the earth again is truly extraordinary. Scientists in the research lab carefully handle the ancient mammoth remains and bones, their eyes fixed on the task at hand. They understand the significance of their work in the larger scheme of things, bringing back a species that has been extinct for thousands of years. With precision and skill, they extract DNA from the preserved remains, hoping it will provide enough information to piece together the genome of the woolly mammoth. The mammoth's bones, tusks, and skin offer glimpses into its past, as well as opportunities to gather clues about its biology and physiology. The team works tirelessly, driven by the excitement of what their efforts could mean for the future of scientific discovery. The picture of the woolly mammoth may seem like a thing of the past, but thanks to the advancements in technology, we may soon be able to see the magnificent creature again. The scientists are using the CRISPR technology, which is a genetic editing tool used to make precise and targeted changes to DNA, to insert the genes of the woolly mammoth into the DNA of Asian. Doing so, they hope to create a hybrid animal that has the traits of both the and the elephant, such the mam's ability to live in cold climates and the elephant's resistance to diseases. This revolutionary experiment has the potential to bring back extinct creatures and restore our planet's lost biodiversity. The de-extinction technology has been a revolutionary invention in the scientific world. Though it was first invented in 2003, the concept of bringing back extinct species had been a topic of fascination for decades. With the help of genetic editing tools, the de-extinction process aims to revive extinct species by artificially reconstructing their genomes. However, the technology has been subject to much debate and criticism due to ethical and ecological concerns. While some argue that de-extinction could restore ecological balance and reverse the damage caused by human activities, others are concerned about adverse effects it could have on the existing. The idea of mammoths roaming around the tundra gives us just a glimpse of the herds that once roamed in the same areas thousands of years ago. However, with the advancements in genetic technology, scientists may soon be able to bring back these majestic creatures from extinction. The goal of the project is not just to create a replica, but to recreate a mammoth that is almost identical to the original species, taking into account factors such as their physical appearance, behavior, habitat. This could provide valuable insights into the ancient ecosystems the Earth as well, potentially help to restore balance to modern-day environments. The woolly mammoth has been extinct for thousands of years, but the possibility of its revival has been a topic of discussion among scientists and enthusiasts for a long time. If cloned mammoths are successfully introduced into the Arctic environment, it could have both positive and negative effects on the ecosystem. On the one hand, it could help to prevent the extinction of other species and contribute to the regeneration of the grasslands. Their grazing behavior could reinvigorate the vegetation in the region. On the other hand, introducing a new species may have unintended could affect the existing species in the Arctic. The mammoth's grazing behavior could also disrupt the food chain, as they could compete with other grazing animals like caribou for the same resources, thereby impacting the balance of the Arctic ecosystem in a negative way. Ultimately, a deep understanding of the environmental and ecological impact of the cloning of the mammoths would be necessary before implementing such a project. The mammoth plays a part in shaping the environment, grazing not only it to get the sustenance it needs, but also helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem. By controlling the growth of vegetation, it prevents growth and ensures that the tundra sustains itself. The red berries that the mammoth feeds on are also important to the ecosystem. They provide nutrition to the mammoth and acts as a seed dispersal agent. As the mammoth roams around the tundra, it spreads these seeds across areas that would otherwise remain untouched. The mammoth's impact on the environment is significant and necessary for the survival of other species. The mammoth's impact on the environment extends beyond reducing global warming. As they roamed the land, their heavy footprints created a unique pattern that would aerate the soil, allowing oxygen to penetrate deep into the earth. This process helped keep permafrost in check, which in turn helped regulate the Earth's climate. Additionally, the mammoth's massive size and strength allowed them to easily clear snow and create rugged paths, which would benefit other animals that lived in their habitat. Overall, the presence of mammoths in the environment played a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystems they lived in. Although the possibility of reviving extinct species is a fascinating prospect, the ethical and practical implications of bringing back extinct animals require thoughtful consideration. For example, went extinct due to a variety of factors, including overhunting and reviving the species would certainly be exciting, but experts must also consider the ecological impact of reintroducing a long-extinct animal into the modern world. Additionally, the technology for reviving species is still very new and experimental, so scientists must navigate uncharted territory in terms of safety and feasibility. Nonetheless, with careful analysis and thoughtful planning, the possibility of reviving extinct species such as the passenger pigeon offers a glimmer of hope for the future of biodiversity. The revival of the woolly mammoth could significantly alter the ecosystem of the Arctic and could shed new light on the notion of extinction. By bringing back the woolly mammoth, we could undo some of the damage we have caused to the planet. What do you think about this? Comment below and let us know.